Hello everyone, this video introduces how visible near-infrared light source operation. Two different types of light bulbs are built into the instrument. Two light sources use the same output port, halogen and deuterium lamps. The power button can turn on one or two light sources at the same time. This button is the power button of the light source. This is the 12-volt power interface. Cooling fan. Plug in the power cord. Turn on the power button. Turn on the light source, the lights on. Connect the spectrometer and the light source. Open the software. Turn on the halogen lamp. Click Continuous Acquisition. View the resulting spectrum from halogen lamp. Turn on the deuterium lamp. View the resulting spectrum from deuterium lamp. This is the spectrum data when halogen lamp and deuterium lamp are turned on. The above is the data collection situation of the deuterium lamp light source.